Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a DJI Mini 2 with a complete gimbal and camera replacement. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the drone using our DJI Solution software. Let's power on the drone and see what errors we get. As you can see, the drone has error 40011, gimbal error, and error 40021, camera error. Before we start fixing these errors, we need to make sure the hardware is working properly. First, go to About menu and check the camera serial number. If the camera serial number shows NA, it means the problem is hardware related, and the software cannot fix it. This is usually caused by a damaged camera cable, a faulty camera module, or an improperly connected cable. If the camera serial number is displayed correctly, we can continue. Now we check the gimbal motors. Let's make sure the gimbal is working correctly. The DJI Mini 2 gimbal has 3 motors, and each motor controls a different axis of movement. When you power on the drone, watch the gimbal carefully. If all 3 motors move during startup, the gimbal hardware is working correctly and is ready for calibration. Let's watch the gimbal movement one more time. Don't worry if the camera isn't pointing straight at this time. After calibration, it will return to its correct position automatically. Important notice: if your drone also shows a gimbal stuck error, that is a hardware problem. It could be caused by a damaged cable, a faulty motor, or a mechanical obstruction. You must repair the hardware first before attempting any software calibration. Before we continue, let me introduce our website. You can download DJI Solution software and find my Telegram contact button if you want more information from us. The website link is in the video description below. As you can see what supported drone models, supported errors that the software can fix, credit pricing, and bonus credits when purchasing larger packages. Don't forget to visit the How To section for some tutorial. For example, let's check out the Fix Error 40021 page. It have required credits, supported drone models, step-by-step instructions, and some important warnings. You can take some time to read and watch our video before fix. For error 40011 fix, you'll use the Install Calibration firmware tool. The page show which drone models are supported with this tools and what error will it can fix, and make sure your drone battery is above 60% before starting the fix. If you scroll further down, you'll also see the list of supported firmware versions, required credits, and some drone and firmware versions that are not yet supported. Now let's begin the repair. First, open DJI Assistant for Consumer Drone Series. I've noticed that many people connect the drone to PC incorrectly, so let me show you the proper way. Most people turn on the drone waiting until it finishes booting, and then plug in the USB cable. Doing it this way usually can't connect the drone with DJI Assistant. Here's the correct method. First, turn the drone off. Now power it on. As soon as you hear the startup sound, immediately connect the USB cable to the drone. If you plug the USB fast enough, you'll see the DJI Mini 2 icon appear in DJI Assistant. Once the drone is detected, close DJI Assistant and open DJI Solution software. Before using the software, make sure you've already created an account on our website and added credits. For security, credits can only be purchased directly from me by PayPal or card. We'll fix error 40021 first. Open Fix Error 40021 inside DJI Solution software. Click Start Fixing Error. I should mention that while recording this video, I had already repaired this drone once because I forgot to record the first repair. Don't worry, our software uses active reserved credits, so repeating the repair doesn't consume additional credits. But the reserve credit has its maximum retry and expire date. After that, it will cost you other full price again. Once the process is complete, next, open the Install Calibration firmware tool. This tool installs a special calibration firmware that allows us to perform the gimbal calibration needed to fix error 40011 and camera not point straight. The installation takes a few minutes, so I'll back when it's finished. The installation is now complete. Restart the drone and disconnect it from the PC. Now we'll perform the gimbal calibration using our remote controller. Go to Control Gimbal Calibration Auto Calibration. During calibration, you'll notice the process stops at 90%. When that happens, tilt the drone upward like shown in the video to allow the calibration to continue. Now the calibration will finish successfully. Now let's check the drone again. Perfect. As you can see, both error 40011 and error 40021 are gone. We're almost done. Your drone is currently running on calibration firmware, so we need to restore the original DJI firmware. First, open DJI Assistant again. Restart the drone and connect it to your PC using the same connection method. Once the drone appears in DJI Assistant, open it and go to Firmware Update. Select any firmware version you want or just choose the latest one. Then click Downgrade. Even though it says Downgrade, DJI Assistant will reinstall the official firmware, returning your drone to its normal operating state. Wait for the installation to finish. Once it's complete, disconnect the drone and power it on. Now you can confirm that all errors are gone and your DJI Mini 2 is ready to fly again. If you have any questions, leave a comment below or contact me through Telegram or WhatsApp using the links in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.